Welcome all. This is our lecture 26, and in this lecture, we will cover the topic the Copyright Act 1957. In the previous videos, we have learned what is intellectual properties, what are the different forms of intellectual properties. Now, we are studying about these separately, and our today's topic Copyright Act. As you all know, copyright is a form of intellectual property protection granted under Indian law to the creators of original work of authorship, such as literary works, and this is include the computer programs also, tables, compilation, computer databases, codes, any books, music, and any films, recording, artistic works, whatever you have created, and you want to secure that no one can use this without your permission, and the particular work belongs to you. So there are some rights provided to the creator under the Copyright Act. The Indian perspective on copyright protection, the bill was passed in 1957, and it provides the copyright protection in the following two forms. The first one is economic rights to the authors, and the second one is moral rights to the authors. Economic rights, it means the author or the creator can sell, purchase, or lease to their own work. And also some moral rights, like no one can use the particular work for their purpose without the consent of the original creator. The economic rights, the copyright subsists in original literary, dramatic, musical, artistic work, films, sound recording, any computer program, etc. As we have discussed earlier, the right are mainly in respect of literary, dramatic, and musical work. Computer programs are also included in this section. Any medium by electronic means, any poster prepared by, or any model prepared by someone, these are all come under the economic rights. And the moral rights, the section 57 deals with this, the basic moral rights of the author, and these are right of paternity and the right of integrity. The right of paternity refers to a right of an author to claim authorship of work and a right to prevent all other from claiming authorship of his or her work. It means the work belongs to the particular creator. And the right of integrity empowers the author to prevent distortion, multination, or other alteration of his work. It means no one can alter the work or any other action in relation to said work which would be prejudicial in this honor or reputation. It means the work which was created or developed by someone, that should be in intended form. If someone take that particular work and alter that and present as its own, so it's also come in under moral rights. Here are some Indian judiciary responses towards Copyright Act. These are ownership of copyright, jurisdictional aspects, cognizance taken by the court, infringement of copyright, availability of alternative remedy, and rectification of copyright. These are the some grounds which are considered by Indian judiciary, and the cases regarding this can be considered in the court. So this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.